plan?
This way.
We're not going up the middle.
Gotta go here.
Okay.
No. Right around the corner. That's me, that's me, that's me, that's me. Where's the machine gunner? Hey, if you move, I'll move with you. Mikayla, bottom right corner. Yep. Hey, there's 3 up top. Yeah, 1 each window.
I only see one. I don't see.
In the center. There's one big.
There's one. I see a gun. Tagged. They have.
Top Connex is dead. You pushing right? There's 2 shooting. Jason! Jason! Are they dead or not? Hey, they're not. Tag again. Alright, they got a medicine. Hey. Come on up for a second. Great. I need your airline though. Yeah, so just put your back right here. I'm gonna shoot Hodges real fast, okay? I need your air right here. So I don't have to be auto. I like it out. I can peek quick. Right eye, you can go. Ready? Just turn your back right here, okay? Break it. 3, 2, 1. Hodges is dead. Move. You're done. Here, stay back. I killed 3 guys. I think I got 2. I don't know if I hit the last guy. You're there in the window. See, second window. Hey, look left. Look left right here. The guy right here on the left side. Here.
What about going around the back?
Yeah, there's 2 ghillie snipers on the back right now.
Okay.
Good shot. I need a carbine nade. Oh well. Okay.
I don't understand what it is. Chandler, we need you.
Huh?
We don't know what to do right now because we're just going to get smoked. So we need... Do you have stuff still? Yep.
Hey, good teamwork. Here, let's try it again, okay? Huh?
I shot the other side, but you know.
Oh, that's what we were worried about. We're like, I know there's two back here.
There may be a third one, I don't know. Yeah, that was great. Yeah, that was him. I did. I saw it. Oh, really? Oh, I didn't notice. Okay.
What do you got?
I think we can go in here.
This first contact is clear.
I'm just going to go for it.
It's us! Friendly! Do we have it?
Maybe there's one over there.
Okay. Friendly! Friendly!
Yeah.
You can tag this. I'll just pull either one out. So one of us each, one inside and one outside.
Yeah, just grab her first.
Because I don't trust that. Nobody else wants to be up here.
We're
If
going
I'm getting shot at, I'm just actually
We'll fall
gonna
through that eventually.
knock it out.
Yeah. It's like a damn coffin in here.
Yep, it is.
Hot as fuck. Oh, I know. Because they know this is the first thing to go.
I got like 6. Behind this square concrete thing over here on the right side. They're all going right!
You might be dead. Woo! I'm launching them in.
Did anybody go left?
Nobody go left, really.
Yeah, there was a couple that were left.
Mark shooting pad.
Just look, jump over that wall.
Mark shot this pad.
At us?
Yeah.
Good. I got him. I think I got that one. He's walking back right now.
See what field?
I got the one that was to the left.
He's down. Got him. Hit him. This LMG rips at a distance, Kayla.
Coming from the left. There's somebody straight behind that. Straight behind that van. I think right behind there.
Which van? The vert one closed up?
Yep, yep.
Did we just get hit?
That's Zach? Hey,
Was that us?
is that Zach? Is that Zach?
What's up?
We got
It bobbed over from the wood.
Here, medic, let's get medic.
It was loud, but I don't know.
He's down. That's me, medic. Thank you.
If I die, you know that they're...
Come on, call that. Don't be a douche. Don't be a douche. Come on. Where? Huh? Oh.
Revive in case someone might go hit.
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000.
Thank you. Hi, Tyler.
Hey, score behind back block! Back block! Come in from the road! They're on that big square! On that big square! On that big square, across! He's down, he's down, he's down, he's down. Come on, call that. This dude's a douche.
He's a certified negative.
What?
This dude called in that little square there next to him.
They're all over in there.
That's us! That's us! That's us!
1,000, 2,
3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
Here, give me.
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000.
Thank you.
Come on.
Go get yourself. I'm out of ammo.
That's us! That's us! That's us! That's us! Medic!
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000.
He's right here, pushing right here. That's me, medic me, medic me. Mark's right here, Mark's right here.
Left, left.
Give me the gun. He's right here. He's right here. Step on him.
Stand up. me, medic me, medic me. He's right through the wall. Hey, on that green wall! On that green wall! On the green wall! Hey, on the green wall! Kayla, medic, Kayla, medic, Kayla, medic.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1000.
He's down.
The ricochets don't count, right? Ricochets don't.
They're from behind.
Well, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1000. Well, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1000.
Medic, medic. Last game. We gotta go though. Last me. Medic. 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 Medic.
1 Wisconsin, 2 Wisconsin, 3 Wisconsin, 4 Wisconsin, 5 Wisconsin.
Gotta go. Push it up. What you want to do with Tyler at?
Right there.
Where?
I don't know, my job is to keep you alive. So usually you tell me not to pop up.
I'd like to get closer if possible.
What about going through here?
Try that.
I think the road is just not a good option.
That exposes us to right side fire, only issue.
Oh.
Wait, do it fast.
I like to go up there and then go in that little corner up there.
Agreed. Because Jason's in that little thicket over there.
Yeah, so we can't run the road.
I think you want to push it? Okay. Good shot. Tyler. Tyler. We're going for it. Come on with me, come on with me. Come on. He's still there, he's still there. Come on, go. Come on. Are you hit? We're in the city, former city, I'm in the city.
Oh,
You did.
good job. Did I get you or?
You did, but I don't know if I hit you first.
No, you got it. It was just a trade.
So we're both dead?
Yeah.
There we go. Yep.
Okay.
And hold right here, hold right here. We gotta move.
Good.
1 Wisconsin, 2 Wisconsin, 3 Wisconsin, 4 Wisconsin, 5 Wisconsin.
How the hell did it shoot through my mouth?
You got hit in the face?
Yeah.
There's guys next to that tree.
Shooting hot as hell.
Yeah.
We gotta move, dude. Let's push road. Let's push road, yeah. Are you hit, Kale?
Can't find Jason.
Did you get hit now? Did you get hit?
No, that was close though.
You can't go road. Jason's on it.
Yeah.
You can't see him.
They're hard left though. So we either clear left or
I'm gonna say left. That's about the only way you'll be able to do it.
Okay, sorry. Good shot.
1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. I'm hit. Where are they?
right there.
Oh.
You got hit.
I'm dead. Did I get hit or?
Yeah, you got hit.
Who was shooting me
I
still?
watched it.
Damn.
Where did I get hit? I didn't even feel it. It just hit me perfectly.
I think I hit like.
Hey, I'm Chandler,
I'm Kayla.
I'm Craig.
and thank you for watching this airsoft video.